The Catholic Diocese of Mangalore is located in the coastal belt of Karnataka in South Canara. Its headquarters is in the city of Mangalore. Just about 150 years back, on 17 February 1845, the Catholic Church was elevated to the position of a vicariate with Vicar Apostolica as the head. It was upgraded to a full diocese on the 1st of September 1886. Father Nicholas Pagani, Jesuit, was appointed as the first bishop. 13 vicars apostolics and bishops have headed this diocese so far, including Most Reverend Dr. Aloysius Paul de Souza, the present bishop. The diocese is spread geographically in the two districts, that is South Canara and Kasaragod, with 250,000 Catholics spread out in 116 parishes and substations. Diocese has 273 diocesan, 110 religious priests who render religious services in various capabilities. There are as many as 55 religious congregations for women, with 1,567 sisters in 194 religious houses and convents. The Cloistered Carmel and the Adoration Monastery, well known for their unique way of life. Priests and nuns from this pool of expert, dedicated and devout souls offer selfless services in education and social service through 115 kindergartens, 215 lower and higher primary schools, 80 high schools, 27 PU colleges, 11 degree colleges, 13 postgraduate centers, and 30 other variant institutions including medical, nursing and engineering education. There are a number of associations and organizations in the diocese to cater to the needs of people of different age groups. The young boys and girls have the Altar Boys Sodality and the Marian movement to instill spiritual animation at the young age. The teenagers have the YCS, YSM, ICYM, Youth for Christ, Jesus Youth, Catholic Action League, etc. to help them vibrate with Christ at this youthful age. Catholic Sabha instills awareness, while SPP is a forum of expression for the love of the poor. Women movements and sodalities have given an identity to the ladies to remain in the forefront of church activities. The small Christian communities in every ward of the parishes make a rewarding effort to bring families closer to each other and within themselves. Diocese of Mangalore is known for the vocations to priesthood and religious life. The priests, men and women religious from Mangalore are working all over the world. Diocese has given more than 45 bishops and a few archbishops to the church. 4 religious congregations for women were founded and established in the soil of Mangalore. St. Joseph's Interdiocesan Seminary, started in 1881 to train priests all over India, is a thriving institution of spiritual animation. The Diocesan Biblical, Liturgical and Catechetical Center, Pastoral Institute, Vocation Service Center are avenues of spreading this animation. Diocese is imparting holistic quality education through a network of over 360 educational institutions spread in the rural and urban centers. More than 75,000 students pursue their education in various grades under the management of the Catholic Board of Education. There are other schools and colleges in the diocese run by the religious and lay people. Father Muller Medical College offers more than 40 courses in medicine, homeopathy and nursing, including paramedical courses. St. Joseph Engineering College gives technical education to students with number of courses, attracts students from all over India. Diocese is involved in socio-economic developmental activities through its institutions like Rural Self-Employment Program, RUSEM, Canara Organization for Peace and Development, CODP, etc. Rendering human services to humanity through self-help groups, credit unions, child sponsorship programs, water harvesting, watershed programs, medical camps, Panchayat Raj trainings, right to information trainings, career advancement programs and trainings, women empowering camps, de-addiction camps, rural health missions, nutrition trainings, sustainable agriculture, dairy farming, trainings on bookkeeping, jasmine cultivations, honey bee keeping, etc. Mangalore Diocese has established a medical relief fund for the poor, built houses for the poor and landless people, opened orphanages for the poor children. To strengthen the family life and promote conviction of ethical and moral values, the diocese has energized institutions like Family Life Service Center, Counseling Center, Friendship House, Prison Ministry of India, Couples for Christ, Singles for Christ, etc. A serious effort is made to foster ecumenical as well as interreligious relations and harmony. Ecumenical and interreligious commissions, Mangalore Christian Council, etc. are working in this regard. Canara Communication Center, Kodialbel Press, Pontifical Mission Aid Societies, weekly and monthly magazine and bulletins like Rakhno, Konkani Weekly, Kazulo, Children's Monthly, Amchi Mai, Marian Monthly, Jesuchi Suarta, Biblical Monthly, and Devacha Sabdaso Samram, Liturgical Tri-Monthly are all our prized communication and media connectors to sensitize the people towards social concern and mutual respect. The Mangalore Africa Mission opened 2 years ago in the continent of Africa as 4 priests and many religious men and women working there in spiritual, socio-economic development, educational and health missions. Diocese of Mangalore, Catholic in its mission, universal in its outlook, bearing the torch of Christ, has become salt of the earth and light of the world to the multi-religious and multicultural Indian community.